Introducing the TN7000 Fire Telephone Control Panel. A reliable device designed to manage communication in fire telephone systems. The TN7000 control panel serves as the central unit of the fire telephone network. It connects with extension telephones, fire telephone handsets, and fire telephone jack sockets to form a complete fire telephone communication system. The panel supports up to 100 extension telephones, enabling clear and efficient communication between the control center and on-site personnel during emergencies. Key features include non-polarized two-wire communication design, making installation simple and cost-effective. Support for simultaneous communication with up to 3 extensions, improving coordination during emergencies. Features up to 9 hours of call recording and storage for up to 999 voice messages, making it easy to save and review communication records. The TN7000 Fire Telephone Control Panel provides stable performance, efficient communication management, and reliable operation for modern fire telephone systems.